Now we're going to have a look at the data type string. So far what we've seen, the int, the doubles, the boolean, they were primitive data types. Now we're going to have a look at strings. So the data type string is an object. We're going to learn a bit later on what objects are. But for now, think that objects have built-in behavior. Built-in behavior means they have certain functions that we can use directly on this type. So for example, if we have a name called, let's say, David, we can use a function that is going to give us the length of that string. So David would mean its length is 4 because it has 4 letters in it. But more on this we're gonna discuss later on. For now, we have to declare a variable of type string just the way we have done with the other types. We have to give it the type of the data. We have to give it the name of the variable. We use the assignment operator and we give it the value. To give it the value, we have to enclose it in double quotes for it to be treated as a string. Now, if we have a look at the instructions, they tell us to create a variable called opening lyrics that holds this text here. So I'm gonna call opening lyrics with type of string, and here we have to use exactly like this, so with capital S, so string. We're gonna give it the assignment operator, and I'm gonna copy this value. As usual, I'm gonna end it with a semicolon. I'm gonna run this. So we've declared the variable called opening lyrics of type string, and we gave it the value. We ended with a semicolon. And then the following instruction is to call system.out.println. So I'm going to copy this. On the next line, I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to end it with a semicolon, opening. And I'm going to run it. And we get the output of exactly the text we put in here, the value of this variable.